stylish young raven-haired podcaster walks into an NYC diner and waves excitedly as she spots her two closest friends, already seated. Stop me if you've seen this before. And no, I'm not just describing myself. The podcasting beauty in this story is none other than Selena Gomez, starring as Mabel Mora on the Hulu hit Only Murders in the Building. And those friends she spotted, well, they aren't my cats Fendi and George. They're comedy legends Martin Short and Steve Martin as Oliver Putnam and Charles Hayden Savage. But while the Only Murders plot follows these three characters living and recording their true crime podcasts in a posh Upper West Side apartment building, the show's main theme takes inspiration from the other side of the globe. According to composer Siddhartha Khoshla, the super catchy and slightly eerie theme was influenced by the melodic Hindi music he listened to in his childhood. He said, "I grew up dreaming in melody and thinking in melody and writing in melody. Those melodies were hauntingly beautiful and catchy, and to this day influence the way I write." According to Khoshla, who has also written the themes for shows like This Is Us, The Idea of You, and Family Affair, Only Murders co-creator John Hoffman was adamant about the song capturing the feeling and tone of New York City. And in the case of the song's percussion, one musician went a bit method. In order to capture the sounds of the city's subway musicians, drummer McAllister used overturned paint buckets and tree branches in the contribution to the track. Lucky for us, season 4 of Only Murders in the Building is currently airing on Hulu. And I, for one, can't wait to get my fill of excellent theme music, podcasting drama, and Steve Martin's luscious hair. Paint buckets and branches. Sounds like a great set of toys for Fendi and George now that I think about it.